Welcome to A&M Education, College of Creativity and Technology. Today, in this session, we are going to discuss on the topic System Bus. A bus is a communication pathway connecting two or more devices. It is a shared medium of information transfer. Multiple devices connect to the bus and a signal transmitted by any one device for all other devices. If two devices transmit signal during same period, their signals will be overlap and only one device can transmit successfully at time. A bus consists of multiple paths which are called lines, and each line is capable of transferring one bit at a time. So that to transfer 8 bits simultaneously over a bus, 8 lines are required. A bus that connects 3 major computer components, that is processor, memory, I/O, is called a system bus. A bus can be unidirectional, that is, transmission of data can be in only one direction, or bidirectional, that is, transmission of data can be in both directions. A system bus consists of 50 to 100 separate lines. These lines are broadly categorized into 3 functional groups. First, data lines. Data lines are known as data bus. Data bus is the most common type of system bus which is used to transfer data from one of the computer component to another. The number of lines in data bus affects the speed of data transfer between the components. A bus consists of 8, 16, 32 or 64 lines. The number of lines present in the data bus is called the width of the data bus. 64 lines data bus means it can transfer 64 bit of data at once. Data buses are bidirectional. You can read and write also to and from memory location using these lines. Second one, address lines. Address lines are known as address bus. The address bus carries information about the location of data in memory. While computers are connected through buses, then each component assigned a unique ID which is an address of that component. If one component of the system wants to talk to another component, it uses address bus to communicate. This bus is unidirectional, means it carry information or address of data only in one direction. Third, control lines. Control lines are known as control bus. This bus is used to control signals from one component to another. These lines are used for transmission of commands and timing signals between the system modules. Timing signals indicate whether data and address information is valid, and command signals specify which operations are to be performed.